Why you should take turmeric before sleep. Taking turmeric before sleep is gaining attention for its potential benefits on sleep quality and overall health. However, it's essential to understand the reasons behind this practice and consider both its potential advantages and considerations. Potential benefits. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming turmeric before sleep might help reduce inflammation in the body, which could contribute to improved sleep quality. 2. Stress reduction. Curcumin may have stress-reducing effects, potentially promoting relaxation and a calmer mind before sleep. 3. Digestive comfort. Turmeric can aid digestion and reduce discomfort, which might prevent digestive issues from affecting your sleep. 4. Support for sleep disorders. Some individuals with sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea or insomnia, have reported improvements in sleep when incorporating turmeric into their routine. Considerations. 1. Dosage. The effective dosage of curcumin varies. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. 2. Stomach sensitivity. Turmeric can cause stomach upset in some individuals, potentially disrupting sleep. 3. Interaction with medications. Turmeric can interact with certain medications. Consult a healthcare provider if you're on medication. 4. Digestive upset. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, especially if consuming turmeric on an empty stomach before sleep. How to take turmeric before sleep. 1. Golden milk. Prepare golden milk by combining turmeric with milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and a touch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Heat gently and enjoy before sleep. 2. Turmeric tea. Brew a soothing turmeric tea using warm water, turmeric, and optional honey or lemon for taste. 3. Supplements. Consider curcumin supplements specifically designed for sleep support, but consult a healthcare professional before use. Consult a professional. Before adding turmeric to your bedtime routine, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medications. Taking turmeric before sleep might offer potential benefits for sleep quality and overall health, mainly due to its anti-inflammatory and stress-reducing properties. However, individual responses can vary, and it's important to consider the potential drawbacks and consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your routine. As with any health practice, a holistic approach to sleep, including a comfortable sleep environment, a regular sleep schedule, and a balanced diet, is vital for optimal well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.